Las Vegas experienced rare rainfall during the past 24 hours. The city is known for its dry desert climate, which makes the rainfall a welcome exception. In the area around the Las Vegas Strip, there was 0.05 inches of rain. Risk of flash flooding was initially low, but some parts of the city faced minor flooding. Elsewhere, the area around McCarran International Airport saw 0.12 inches of rain. The precipitation is believed to have been brought in by an isolated thunderstorm. This thunderstorm brought hail and strong winds in addition to the rain. Summerlin had the highest rainfall with 0.19 inches in the past 24 hours. Henderson and Boulder City only experienced 0.04 inches and 0.01 inches, respectively. Las Vegas Valley itself saw 0.09 inches of rain during the time frame. Aside from the rain, temperatures in the area dropped down to 78.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Clouds in the sky created a unique atmosphere, as the usually sunny city saw gray skies. People were delighted to receive the unexpected rainfall as temperatures are usually high in the city. The unique situation was a blessing for various plants and patches of green in the urban city. Everyday life in Las Vegas went on without disruption, with most people embracing the rain. Optimistic locals hoped the downpour was a sign of increased precipitation in the upcoming months. For the most part, the rainfall was an interesting and welcomed phenomenon in the desert city. High humidity levels have been reported in certain areas of Las Vegas. Firefighters were on alert for any events that could potentially cause a threat. Thankfully, no major incidents were reported as a result of the wet and humid climate. The city of North Las Vegas received the most rain during the 24-hour period, with up to 0.25 inches. The rainfall brought a peaceful calmness to the area, much to the relief of local residents. Despite the certain temperature drops, most citizens stayed upbeat and weren't deterred by the gray skies. It appears that the storm had fully passed by the end of the 24-hour time frame. The Las Vegas Strip was quiet again, with a few occasional gusts of wind being the only sign of the storm.